Hello friend, welcome back. Here we have a very important use case for CheckMyLinks. Like today how you use CheckMyLinks, you click on CheckMyLinks logo or you initiate through keyboard shortcut Command Shift L. So it gets started, right? We have tested it on this window here or on any page. Like we can just initiate, get the report, download report and everything we can do. But with the problem with this is like you have to do it like on every page manually, right? Like if I have to go to any other page on this page, I will have to start this. If I go on any other website, I will have to do this. Or suppose if I'm doing it on my own website, so whichever page I used to go, I will have to start this, which is absolutely fine. And this is how we are supposed to use CheckMyLinks, because it used to reduce a lot of effort to check the links manually one by one. But what if like you want to do it through automation? Like let's say you have written one script where it will open all the pages of your website one by one and scan through, check my links, get the result, download the report. So yes, that is possible now. This was the use case was suggested by Akansha in our SelectorsHub Pune QA meetup. So we have implemented this feature. Great thanks to Akansha for suggesting this feature. Now let me show you how you can do that. First of all, how you can add check my links in your automated browser window, that we will see. So here I have a very simple automation script which used to open the browser and the URL. So how we can add extension in any automated browser window? Like by default, if you open, like let me just comment this, remove this. By default, when we run the code, Selenium code, you won't get the extension in your automated browser window. You see that there is no extension here. Like extension logo is not there. And if you open like Chrome/extensions, you will not find the extension here. Okay, so how can we get the extension in the browser window? For that, you have to write 2-3 lines of code. Very simple. You just copy paste. You can copy paste this code in your script. I will leave this code in the description here, and the first pin comment also you will find. Okay, let me uncomment this. Here you will have to initiate this options thing, Chrome options, and then options.setBrowserVersion. This line is very important. You will have to remember this, because from Chrome 137 onwards, Chrome has deprecated this API, load extension API, for the stable version of Chrome, and extension can be installed in the automated browser window through automation script only in the Chromium version or in the Chrome for testing version. It cannot be installed in the stable version. What does that mean? Let me just comment this line. And here we will pass the file path of the folder path of CheckMyLinks, that we will do, and then we will run the code. Okay, so first let's get this path here. How you will get this CheckMyLinks folder, the code CheckMyLinks, basically it requires the CheckMyLinks complete package source code. So how you will get that? Go to SelectorsHub website. Here you will have this CheckMyLinks. So open CheckMyLinks in Chrome store. So how you will get this thing? For this you will have to install this get crx or code viewer of extension. This thing you will have to install. So first install this. After installing this Chrome extension source viewer, you open CheckMyLinks in Chrome store, then click on this crx extractor icon and download as zip. Okay, make sure that, because when you will download this or you will install this here, you will not get this, so you will have to pin it to toolbar. I'm sure like you all know this. Those were like by default you will not see this after installation, so you have to pin, and then now you click on this download as zip. This will download the folder. Now go here, go to the download folder. We just downloaded this. What is the file path? AAJO. This is the one which we have downloaded. Okay, now unzip this and get the file path. How you can get the file path? you just drag and drop here, so you will get the complete file path. Okay, let me just rename this to check my links so it will be easy for us. Check my links demo. Okay, and now we will get this file path here. You can also rename after unzipping the folder. Copy this file path and paste it here. Okay, remove this space. Okay, now we got the source code of CheckMyLinks here. We added this and now we will run this. Okay, for now remember I have commented this line. Okay, so this will open the stable version of Chrome. By default the Chrome which has been installed in my system, which is a stable version. So you see that still there is no extension here. If I show you about Chrome, you will find 137 and this is also 137 here. Okay, now this is not working. Why? Because this has been deprecated. Like if you go here, restriction on Chrome loading to booster, Chrome 137 deprecates this one. Okay, so stable version you cannot do that. So what we will have to do, you have to set the browser version which will always be one higher version of your stable version. So let's say today we have the stable version 137, so I have made it 138. Now what it will do, it will consider one higher version which is basically Chrome for testing. So now if you will run this code, it will open Chrome for testing and it will have that extension thing installed here. Okay, what did I do wrong? I haven't passed the options here. One second, sorry, this was my bad. Okay, let me just do this again. Options, I missed this. I have to add this options here, option parameter I need to pass here. For now I have commented this line just to make sure that extension doesn't get installed in the stable version. So you see that extension didn't get installed here. Now I will uncomment this line and run the code again. Make sure that you pass this options parameter here. Now you see that it has opened Chrome for test. You can see a small logo here on Chrome, and in fact here also you can see Google Chrome for testing, and you see that extension got installed and it got automatically started. So this is how you get the extension in your automated browser window, and this is how it will automatically get triggered in your automated browser window, this check my links. So you don't have to trigger or anything, and you see that you can see the result. How many links are there? 201 valid links, valid redirect, invalid links. So you got the result. Now you got it. Very simple. What you have to do, you don't have to do anything. I just explained you guys everything here. What you have to do, you just have to add these 3 lines of code and pass wherever you are initiating your driver, pass the argument options there. Okay, and here you will have to pass the file path of your downloaded unzipped check my links source code folder. And how you can get the source code of check my links, install this CRX Chrome extension source viewer. After installing, open check my links in Chrome store, click on that CRX logo and download as zip. After that, unzip that folder, rename the folder to whatever like check my links, and then you add this path here. That's all. So just 3 lines of code you have to add in your script. Now okay, so this is working fine. Let me just quit this, run it again and show you guys that how this is working. This has opened the browser and it has loaded check my links and it is automatically getting triggered. We don't have to click on check my links logo. Okay, this is fine so far. Now how we can get this downloaded report automatically? Let's see how we can get that, and then we will see, like let's say if we want to open multiple URLs and then we want to get the report for them, how we can get that. So here what we will do, this one we need the export button XPath, because we want to click on that. And how we can get that? So just inspect this element here. So you can see that this element is inside iframe. So also what we can do, why don't we use SelectorsHub and just inspect this export button here. Okay, so this is getting clicked here. We will use in DevTools. So this is the element span export all, and now that this one is inside cross origin iframe, so this is the iframe. So you can see that id is equal to this. So this is the iframe XPath. We will take this driver.findElement, copy this, and here you go in your code. So driver.find, here we have to switch inside iframe, right? Because that element is inside switch inside iframe. So inside frame, and here we will paste this, and done. So we have switched inside iframe, and now after switching inside iframe we have to click on this. So what is the export button XPath here? This is the export span. So now we will driver.findElement by.xpath, and here we will paste that /span text is equal to export all, and then dot click. Okay, so this we have done it. Now here what we want, like right now what will happen here, immediately it will switch inside iframe and click on export all button. What will happen, it will immediately download the report. It will not wait for that getting the result for all the links. Let me just run this code and see what's happening. It will immediately download. So what we will have to do, we will have to put some wait there, like when the script is running, just wait for some time so that it will get the result. So right now you see that script got failed. Why? Because it was looking for this element, iframe element, and it didn't find, because immediately it was looking before that got initiated. So what we will have to do, we will put some wait here, Thread.sleep of like let's say 5 seconds, so that CheckMyLinks get initiated and it get this element. After getting this element, what we will do, we will wait for, like before clicking on this export all button, or you can directly put all the wait here, like let's say 15 seconds it will take, or 10 seconds it will take to get the result of like it will take 15 seconds to get the result for all the links. Okay, so that we will do it here. Let me just remove this. Now we will run this. So what we will do, what it will do, it will basically wait for 15 seconds before clicking on that export all button, and also it will wait for 15 seconds before switching inside iframe. Okay, now this time it will switch and it should click on that export all button as well. It is waiting for 15 seconds. This time it got much faster. Now why this got failed? Is not a valid XPath. Okay, sorry, we didn't close this. Okay, running it again. Good that we are getting these exceptions. Now it's running. It will wait after initiating. CheckMyLinks will get initiated automatically. It will wait for 15 seconds, and then it will try to click on export all button. Okay, so now it has clicked, and you can see the report is downloaded here. So you can go to download folder and you can see the report. CheckMyLinks 512. So this is the one, and here we will open this and you can see the result. And in this report, like you can see the status code, like whatever you used to do manually, now this is happening through automation. Now what if like you want it for multiple URLs? So what simple thing you have to do, again open the new URL, copy these 4 lines of code, and like let's say this is my XPath practice page, so I will just replace this URL. You just have to replace the URL, that's all. Like I want for this page, and here I will have to put that much weight which I expect, like because there, suppose in this page there are 200 links, okay, that will take 15 seconds maximum, that can take 15 seconds of time to get result for all the page. Suppose this page is having less number of links, okay, so I might expect, okay, this will take 10 seconds. There could be some other page, so you just have to keep copying this thing. Like suppose this is google.com, this will take very less time, I will make it 5 seconds, okay. So depending, because this is just one time script you are supposed to write, and after that it is going to always get executed, okay. Now here I will run this code and you will see it will download the report. I will delete all of these, check my links earlier report, and this time we should be having 3 reports which will be having, so this is 1, it will wait for 15 seconds because we have kept the wait of 15 seconds, then 10, and then 5. So 1 got downloaded, you see that now it has opened practice page, it will get initiated. Here we have kept 10 seconds of time, it got completed. Then google.com, now it will open another URL, sorry, it will download for this one as well. So it has, like within 5 seconds it has triggered that. So now here, because it got triggered, check my links got triggered immediately, and then it within 5 seconds it clicked on this export all URL, export all button, it has clicked just in 5 seconds. But in that much time the browser, this URL was not loaded, it has not got the result. So what you will have to do, you will have to sync the time, like let's say you can keep it 20 seconds, because it will depend on your internet speed, it will depend on your RAM of your system, how fast your script is executing, how fast it is opening the browser, opening the URL. So just the time thing only you have to sync, rest this piece of code will work. You just keep duplicating these 4 lines for your number of URLs, you keep changing the URLs here, and you just get this thing done automatically. Run check my links for all your pages whichever you want, and then you will get the report. So this is how you can automatically run the check my links through your Selenium code and get report of your links for the links for all the pages just in simply automatically. And this is the piece of code which you have to add, these 3 lines of code to get the extension check my links on your browser, on your automated browser window. Don't forget to increase the browser version here, like today it is 138 because I am having the stable version 137. Tomorrow you might be having 138 as a stable version, then you will have to make it 139. Or if you have any other method or something in your code automatically that you are running your script in Chrome for testing, then you don't have to worry about this line, you just have to add this option thing and the file path of check my links. I hope you found it useful. Do let me know in the comment section, have you ever opened extension in the automated browser window, or how you are using check my links. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.